The world is a maximum karmic opportunity to gain good karma and undo bad karma. We'll ask that right now. We have permission to ask that. That calibrates at infinity. The purpose of this world is not to eliminate badness at all. This is not supposed to be a heavenly domain. If this is heaven, we'd be in the 600 range in other realms. This is where we evolve and gain karmic merit. You know? We say no to the negative and yes to the positive. This requires discernment. Discernment means the capacity to tell truth from falsehood, illusion from reality. Therefore, the purpose of all these lectures is that we will then have what we need to make the correct decisions at all times, which in itself is a rare gift, is it not? To me, it was a rare gift to be able to discover, my God, you can tell truth from falsehood. I mean, I was boggled by it, and I only share it with you because I was boggled by it. I share it. That's my obligation, is to share it and to devote myself to your spiritual evolution.